Let's return now to the global efforts to contain the coronavirus as more cruise ship passengers are heading home.
Many are raising concerns about the potential risk those passengers might pose. Our Karen Drew is here with the latest on the situation. Karen.
Devin and Kim, the concern was heightened by news that 2 of the hospitalized passengers from the Diamond Princess have died from the coronavirus. The man and woman, both from Japan, were in their 80s and did have other health issues. Experts say steps to quarantine people on the ship have been ineffective, one even calling efforts chaotic.
Hundreds more passengers who tested negative for the coronavirus are leaving the quarantine cruise ship in Japan. Confirmed cases from the ship now more than 630. That's roughly 1 in 6 people on board. There is concern the passengers are being allowed to leave with no follow-up quarantine period, although many nations, including the U.S., are not allowing them to return for 2 weeks. There are dozens of cases in Japan beyond the cruise ship, prompting the government to advise people to take precautions and even avoid hosting large gatherings. In China, the death toll is now 2,121, but fewer new cases are being reported.
The data from China continue to show a decline in new confirmed cases. Once again, we're encouraged by this trend, but this is no time for complacency.
And concern remains high around the world. This was the scene in a village in central Ukraine as residents protested the arrival of a plane carrying evacuees from China's Hubei province today. Authorities said all passengers on board were screened twice before being allowed to fly. Ukraine currently has no confirmed cases of the virus.
Now going back to the Diamond Princess, after all of the passengers are off, the crew will remain on board and under quarantine for another 2 weeks. The ship's operator reportedly plans to return the ship to service in April, saying it will be fully sanitized first. Devin?